Hi, this is Jake Massey with the Lakeland Joint School District, and we're excited to bring you another episode of Everyday Excellence. Today we're at Betty Kiefer Elementary, where we get to join our fourth graders on Pioneer Day. Shana Hostetler is going to tell us more about it. Tell us why Pioneer Day and how long have you been doing it?
The fourth grade at Betty Kiefer has been doing Pioneer Day for, I don't know, probably 20 years. So we started Pioneer Day, and really it's Pioneer Month. It's our March Madness Pioneer Month. We start by putting all of our students into Pioneer families. They get to pick who they want to be in that family, and they get to experience the trail as a ma, a pa, or a child. We have been working with the Lewiston Historical Society to bring in great guest speakers. We have a Native American who goes over mythology from their own Nez Perce culture. We have a medicine woman who came, and she was phenomenal.
Cool.
She taught the kids all sorts of different medicines that were used back in the day.
Yep.
And why they worked, why they did not work. The Farm Bureau, we bring in a simulated milk cow, and the students milk the cow, and then they make butter. The Farm Bureau also brings in wheat, and the kids grind it into flour. We have a spinner who comes in and teaches the students how to take wool and dye the wool with flowers, and then take the wool and spin it through the spinning wheel to make yarn. We also have a gentleman who comes every year, and he takes the bread that the students make and he cooks it in real Dutch ovens, just like the pioneers would have. Students get to make covered wagons at home with their families, and it's so interesting because they all use so many different supplies. We have a student-written play that the students put on, and it's all about Idaho's history.
Okay.
Our students love the Socratic Seminar. They read articles about the Oregon Trail. They annotate those articles, and then I give them a question to talk about, and they sit in a circle and run their own student-led discussion based on that question using text evidence to answer those questions. And then in the very end, we have them decide whether or not they would want to go on the Oregon Trail. Knowing what you know now, would you travel the trail? And they write a 5-paragraph opinion essay about whether they would go or not, and they use evidence. I love doing this unit. It's high engagement. I get to integrate all of my subject areas together. The students get to work as a team, and we're creating memories that the students will remember forever.